Give me one good reason I shouldn't beat your ass. Cause I'ma tell mama you was fucking that woman down the street. Damn! That's a good ass reason. Let's go get some ice.
2 years ago my homie told me to record him kicking a random fridge. Where you going, dog?
Oh my god! Dude, look right there!
What is that?
My mama told me I could be anything in the world, so I decided to be a unicorn.
It's getting out of control. Show the people. Show the
You could slide a credit card on there.
Oh! Don't even say these things.
Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snow. I'm on a sugar crash. I ain't gonna fucking cash. Maybe I should take a.
Guys. Oh my guys, are bolas. Oh my guys. Oh my guys, are bolas, 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 bolas! Oh my guys, are bolas! Oh my guys, are bolas! Boss! Boss, 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 boss! Boss, 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 boss! Ah! 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 Boss, boss! 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 Boss, 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 boss! Boss, boss!
Be demolished when I snap its fucking tail.
That's what I can also do it. Oh, yeah. Sorry. 2, 1. 4, when must I go? Last one. 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe I'll do from front. 1. No. No. Okay, I'm ready. Now. What? My stomach is paining. What number, mother?
Nice job, ma'am. Join the party. But, the baby's gonna have to wait outside.
Let's go. There's no Travis, nothing here. I don't see no Cactus Jack. No, none of that, man. Like, shit don't even got a sound effect. Like, I don't get a yeah, it's lit. If I open it, like, it's lit.
Stepping out today, you better hide your girl. I'ma hide with her. She got mad because I said good morning, sir. Me making cereal at 3 a.m. My mom, who the fuck is that? Me, retreat. Run. When you're the only one who saw the fight in school, so this had happened.
That wasn't me. That wasn't.
What happened?
I did not.
What happened? Someone throw a water bottle at me.
Okay.
Daddy, I'm stuck in a closet.
Random plastic ball? No! It's a big fat pig that I 3D printed that's also a money box. How cool is that? Do you know who else is a big fat pig? Your mum.
I wash my hands to protect my family.
I wear a face covering to protect my mates.
I make space to protect my nan. I'm staying indoors because I hate people.
This random dude posted his new haircut and got roasted on the internet for no reason. Hold on. Y'all just be fucking brutal. Like, I can't.
What? What does that say, Anaya?
What?
No!
What?